680. How's your day, Ate Lot? Thank you. Thank you for making business. Hello there, guys and gals. One lovely morning to each every one of you. How I wish this could be as always, but it wouldn't be. Sooner or later, next month, we will be having a rainy seasons. Anyway, regardless, strive hard and keep on going, okay? Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Day 130 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, sorry. When you got failed, you will feel upset, sad, devastated, mad, angry, disappointed, and whatever ill feelings that you will have. Your dreams will not push through and will not prosper. Okay? Beware and be aware. And earn, save, save. Earn, save, save, save. Bye for now. Road to 1 million saving challenge.